Given the list L 1, 3, 6, 82, 5, 7, 11, 92. What would be the output of print L 2 colon 5? What is it called? It is slicing. It will slice this list and will return a subset of this list as the result. So the answer is 6, 82, 5. We will see how it works. The slicing starts at 2, index 2. That is 0, 1, 2 starts at 6. And here as the stop value I have given 5. So it will extract values up to index 4. Index 4 is 2 here, 3, 4. That is up to the value 5. So the result is 6, 82, 5. List L, then slicing L of 2 colon 6. It will start the slicing at index 2 and ends at index 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more example. L of 3 colon 7. Starts at index 3, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 from 82 onwards up to index 6. Index 6 is this one 3, 4, 5, 6 up to index 6. That is, if the stop value is n, it will extract values up to index n minus 1. Next one, given the list L equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. What would be the output of L 1 colon 4 colon 2? In our last question there was only start and stop value. But here we have one more value called the step value. The default step value is 1. Here we have specified the step value as 2. We will see the output. It is 15, 25. That is, the start value is 1, value at index 1, that is 15, then up to index 3, here it is 4, so up to index 3. Index 3 is 1, 2, 3. Then the step value is 2, that is first value 15, then step by 2, next value is 25. We will see some more examples. Same list. Then L of 1 colon 5 colon step value 2. See the result, 15, 25. Starts at 15, then step by 2, ends at index 4. Index 4 is 30, but the value after 25 is 35 because the step value is 2. So it will extract only up to the value 25. Another example, L 1 colon 6 colon 3. Step value is 3. See the result, 15, 30. Start value is 1, then step by 3, 1, 2, 3. Start value is 1, that is at index 1, 15. Stop value is 6, that is up to the element 35. But see the skip value is, here it is 3. So after 15, skip by 1, skip by 2, then skip by 3. It will extract the value 30. Then again it has to skip by 3. But the stop value is reached. So the result is 15, 30. Next one. Which of the following will give the output as 6, 2, 9? The list is this one. Answer is A. Print L of 1 colon 6 colon 2. The output list is 6, 2, 9. 6 is here at index 1. Then the next value is 2. 2 is here. That is the step value is 2. Then next value is 9. The index of 9 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as the stop value we have to give 6. Next one, given the list L equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. What would L3 colon will return? See here only the start value, no stop value is given. See the output, it is 25, 30, 35. Start value is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then stop value is not given. The default stop value is length of the list. That is here up to the value 35. Default step value is 1. So it will return 25, 30, 35. So if the stop value is not given, then it will extract up to the last element. Clear? Next question. Given the list, same list, what would L colon 3 will return? See the answer, it is 10, 15, 20. Here stop value is given as 3 but no start value. So it will take the default start value, that is 0. So starts from 10, then skip value is 1 only, stop value is 3, means up to index 2, 0, 1, 2. So the result is 10, 15, 20. We will see one more example. L of colon 5. Start value is 0, default start value 0. Then up to index 4. 5 is given as n value, so up to index 4. That is up to 30. Then if stop value is not given, L of 2 colon. See the result? Starts at index 2, 0, 1, 2, from 20 onwards up to the last value. Next one, given the list L equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, what would L of minus 3 colon minus 1 will return? Answer is 25, 30. See, here negative indexing is used. Start value is minus 3, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And what is the step value here? It is default value, that is 1 itself. So from index minus 3, that is starting from the value 25. What is the stop value? It is minus 1. So up to index minus 2, it will extract the values. Minus 1, minus 1 equal to minus 2. That is starting from index minus 3 to minus 2. So it will return a list which contains values 25, 30. In the case of negative indexing, stop value you can calculate like this, minus 1 like that. Otherwise you can find like this, minus 1 is here the last element, then just before the last element, it is 30. We will see some more examples. L equal to the list L of minus 4 colon minus 2 will return the list 20, 25. Start value is minus 4, that is minus 1 here, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So starts at minus 4 and ends at minus 3, that is minus 2 minus 1, it is minus 3. Or you can find like this also, the index minus 2 comes here at 30, then the value just before this 30, that is 25. One more example, L minus 5 colon minus 1. See the result? Starts from minus 5, that is 15, ends at 30, that is at index minus 2. Next question, given the list L equal to the same list, what would L 2 colon minus 1 will return? Answer is list 20, 25, 30. See, slicing starts at index 2. Index 2 is here at 20, then the stop value is minus 1. that is up to index minus 2. So 20, 25, 30. Index of 30 is minus 2. Next question. Same list. Find the output of L of colon minus 1 colon 2. What is the start value here? It is 0, default value. Then stop value is minus 1. Skip value is 2. What is the output? It is 10, 20, 30. How you got it? Start value is 0. That is starts at 10, 10. Step value is 2. So 10 comes to 20, then 30. It will stop here because the stop value is minus 1. That means up to the index minus 2. So the result is a list with values 10, 20, 30. I think it is more clear to you now. Next question. Same list. Then output of L of 5 colon 1 colon minus 1. See here the start value and stop value are positive values. That is, it is positive indexing. And what about the step value? It is a negative value. That is, the values are extracted from right to left in a reverse order. So what is the output? That is 35, 30, 25, 20. Starting index is 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is from 35 onwards. And the stop value is 1 here and the step value is minus 1. So up to which index it will access? Up to index 2. How you got it? 1 minus 1. That is equal to 2 up to index 2. Or you can also find out like this. 1 is here at 15. Then the value just before 15. That is 20 from backward. So the last value is 20. L equal to same list. L of 4 colon 2 colon minus 1. We will get 30, 25. Starts at index 4, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is at 30. Then the step value is minus 1, that is backward, and the stop value is 2. So up to index 3, that is 25. One value before the index 2, that is here. Next one, L equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Same list. Then slicing is 1 colon 5 colon minus 1. See here step value is minus 1, that is a negative number. Then start value is 1, that is from the element 15 onwards. That is from here onwards up to index 4. Can I reach index 4 by moving backward from 1? No. Index 4 is here at 30. So the result is an empty list. Next one, same list. Slicing is 5 colon minus 2. Here the step value is minus 2. Start value is 5. What about the stop value? It is not specified. So it will take 0 as the n value. That is, if the step value is a negative number, then if stop value is not specified, it will take 0 as the stop value, that is the first element. So starting from index 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 35, from the last element onwards, skip by 2. First value is 35, then skip by 2, that is 25 backward, then again skip by 2, 15, then stop. So the answer is 35, 25, 15. Next one, L is the same list. Slicing L colon minus 1. Here start value is not specified and also the stop value. And the skip value is minus 1. So if the skip value is a negative number, the start value will be the last element, that is 35 onwards. And what about the stop value? It is not specified. So by default, the first value will be considered as the last element. And the skip value is minus 1 here. So 35, skip by 1 30, 25, 20, 15, 10. So the first value will be 35 and the last value will be 10. What is the result then? It is option A. So we can use this slicing colon minus 1 to reverse a list, just like in strings. Next one, L equal to same list. Slicing is L colon minus 1. What is the start value here? Not specified. What about the stop value? Stop value is minus 1. See, it is the stop value, not the step value. Then what about the step value? Not given. What will be the output? See, it is option A. Here the step value is 1. That is the default value. So, when the start value is not specified, it will consider the value at index 0 as the first element. That is 10 onwards. Up to stop value is given as minus 1. As per negative indexing, here minus 1 is here. Then last index will be minus 1 minus 1. That is minus 2. So the answer is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Clear? Next one. Same list. Slicing is L colon. Start value is not specified. Stop value also not specified. And the step value is the default step value 1. What will be the answer? Option C. Why? If not specified, the first element will be the first one and the last element will be the last one. We will see some examples. L colon 4. Starting from the first element up to the index 3. That is the fourth element. L of colon 3. Starting value is 10. Then skip by 3. 1, 2, 3, 25. Then again step by 3. It will reach at index 6. But the elements are there only up to index 5. So the last element is 25. L 4 colon minus 1. Here the step value is minus 1. So the extraction is backward. Starting index is 4. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. From 30 onwards, skip by 1 up to the first element. L 5 colon minus 1 colon 2. It is empty list. See, the starting index is 5. That is at 35. Then up to minus 1. Where is minus 1? That also at the same position. Then can it skip by 2? No. So the result is an empty list. Next is L of 2 colon minus 1. Starting from index 2, that is from 20 onwards up to 30. That is at index minus 2 because the stop value is minus 1. Don't get confused between this stop value here and this step value. If the step value is positive, then always the extraction is from left to right. That is from the first element to the last element. And if the step value is negative, then always the extraction is from last element to the first value. That is backward. Even if the start value and stop values are negative, if the step value is positive, it will extract from left to right only. That is, the negative values given here in the start and stop positions are to indicate negative indexing. But if the step value is negative, it indicates extraction is from right to left, that is backward. Then we have one more question here. To delete a slice from a list, dash statement is used. The answer is del. The del statement can be used to delete an item from the list, and also it can be used to delete a slice from a list. See, del is a statement, not a function. So this is all about list operations and slicing. Hope you understood the concept. Try with more and more examples to make it more clear. Thank you.